You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is a surname most common in the United States. If you want to learn more confusing names that are often mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. The most common pronunciation, at least in the US, is as Baugh, with the GH silent at the end. The Americans may say it also as Baugh, right, with a more open R sound, Baugh or Baugh. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments any different ways of pronouncing it. How do you pronounce it? Let us know so we know a little bit better. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.